Hey everyone, welcome to Tech District. Before we get started, push that subscribe button below to see more videos. Today we're going to go over 8 gadgets to make your yard work easier. Make sure you watch till we get to the last one because it's a really fancy gadget you can use. Weed Snatcher. This gadget for your yard is perfect for getting those stubborn weeds out from the hard to reach areas like your driveways, patios, decks, and sidewalks. With this invention, you won't need to be bending over or kneeling. Using the Weed Snatcher reduces the use of harmful weed-killing chemicals and is overall just a safer and better option for our ground. To use the Weed Snatcher, you choose your desired length with the simple push of a button, and it slides anywhere from 3 feet to 6 feet long. This allows adults or children to be able to use this gadget and prevents the need to do any bending over or kneeling. This will save your back and knees, and overall, it will save you time. When removing weeds from a sidewalk to a deck with narrower cracks, you are able to attach different weed attachments that vary in size. Weed Snatcher accessories are easy and quick to change out. All you have to do is choose your desired size and push a button to remove and insert your desired attachments. This won't take any longer than a couple seconds. This gadget will help you save time and help people find weeding a little less labor intensive. You can complete your weeding in half the time so you can get back to enjoying your outdoors sooner. The Renovator Grass Color Refresh. Everyone wants a green and lush looking yard, and with Renovator Color Refresh you can. Every spring and fall, there is that awkward stage of our grass being that icky brown color. Renovator is safe for your pets, plants, and wildlife, so you don't need to worry about putting harmful chemicals or toxins into the ground. Within minutes, you will have a lush green looking yard. To use a Renovator, you can either buy a 56 ounce with a hose attachment end or a 1 gallon option without the hose attachment. When using the option with the hose end, all you have to do is first shake well and attach the hose from your house and choose your preferred option for spray. Once this is all organized, you just spray 6 to 10 inches from the grass. The Renovator will roughly cover 700 square feet per bottle. When using the gallon version, you'll have to shake well and pour into your own garden type sprayer and pressurize the spray by pumping several times. This will help your yard look spectacular in just minutes. Wheel Easy Wheelbarrow. As technology improves, we are always looking for the new best thing. It's humans' nature to find more effective and efficient ways of doing things. This wheelbarrow is collapsible, so it removes the tension of shoveling or lifting things into a traditional wheelbarrow. This will help prevent any back pain and makes it so a younger person can help out. How this works is when you get all your weeds or gravel ready to go, you can then drop the handles of the wheelbarrow, which allows it to come to the ground level. You can then start loading up the wheel easy by just raking, shoveling, or sliding, no needing to lift anything up. Once you've gotten the wheel easy all loaded up, all you have to do is then lift the handles and away you go. With Wheel Easy, they have designed it so when you do lift up the handles, you're only lifting a small portion of the total load due to its low center of gravity. Wheel Easy will make your shoveling, raking, and loading up a whole different and easier experience. Zilker. This is a smart watering system for your yard. We all want that lush and beautiful garden. To maintain such a thing, we need to stay on top of watering our plants. Unfortunately, it's hard to do that all the time because people leave for long periods of time, and it can be a hassle to try and find someone to take care of your lawn while you're away. With Zilker, you don't have to stress anymore about your yard. This gadget attaches simply to your water hose system and does the work for you. The smart system is controlled by an app you easily download to your mobile device. Some of the key features of Zilker is that it's smart enough to know the environment it is in. For example, it knows when it's been super rainy or sunny and will determine how much of your yard really needs watering or not. Zilker knows by collecting the data from your local weather station. Some other features that Zilker offers are you can control it from anywhere with the app, it calculates how much water you're using, detects leaks, and has longer range with its 900 mHz radio. This radio has 2.5 times more range than the Wi-Fi. You can be on vacation across the world and still have control of your yard as long as you have internet access, which we all know isn't that hard nowadays. If somehow you do lose access, it will still end its watering on schedule so you can rest easy. You'll never have to worry about or think about watering your yard or plants again. Robomow lawnmower. This is a new and smart way to mow your lawn. No more time on your weekends spent mowing. Most people have heard of Roomba, the indoor vacuuming robot. Well, this is exactly that, but for the outdoors. Robomow is a family-friendly grass mower that comes in 3 different sizes depending on the yard size you have. The first one is called the RX Clever. This one is designed for small yards. It is compact and quiet and will complete your yard very quickly. They recommend this model if your yard is 1/20th of an acre. The second model is called the RX Stylish. This one is designed for medium yards and has a stronger cutting system. This model is efficient and has a unique edge cutting feature to make sure your grass edges are impeccable. Just like the first model, it will complete your yard in a timely manner, and this model is suggested for those with 1/8 of an acre sized yard. The last model is the RS Royal. This is the largest model you can get and suggested for larger yards consisting of 1/4 of an acre size yard. Again, the blades are very strong and can fit into narrow spaces. This model can go up and down slopes up to a 36% grade, and it knows when to go back to its home station for a charge. With all these models, you can download an app to your mobile devices. The features on the apps include letting you schedule the time you would like the mower to start and return to its base. If you have an Amazon Alexa, you can voice activate your mower to get to work. You can check up on your mower and see its current location at all times and also get notification if service is needed. The Wrap 206 Shape Trimmer. Who doesn't love to see those perfect circle-shaped shrubs? This wrap is a machine that will trim your hedges for you and give you a consistent perfect shape. This yard gadget can trim large shrubs and shrubs on a stem in a matter of minutes. It is fully hydraulic, so it will make it very easy to operate. Handy Camel bag clips. These clips are great for your yard and fertilizer bags, but also any large pet food bags of any sort. Once you open a large bag of fertilizer, it is always awkward to lift and hard to prevent from spilling. With the Camel bag clips, you can use them as a handle to help carry around the bags and/or help with pouring the item out of the bag. The clips will prevent any accidental spills or any animals from getting into the bags, as the clips act as a seal. These clips are ideal for carrying, storing, and pouring large bags around the yard and house. They can carry a bag up to 40 pounds and has no tearing design, so the clips will not puncture the bags. The Paperpot transplanter. This gardening gadget is great for those who have large flower beds and are growing more than one type of plant. The Paperpot is designed in a 2-step sequence. The first is getting your plants ready for transplant. With multiple different attachments, you can seed all of your 264 future plants within minutes. Depending on what you're planting, you can choose a 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch spacing with the honeycomb paper trays. To fill those honeycomb trays, you start by sliding 2 separate bars to open up the honeycomb trays, as they come originally compacted. Once the honeycomb spaces are visible, you can add your desired soil and seeds. Once a plant has sprouted a little, this is when you would transplant your plants into the garden. Using the transplanter is super easy. You're able to choose your depth of how far down you want your seedlings planted, and your 264 seedlings will be perfectly spaced out. You can have all your seeding done in a matter of minutes, not hours. Not only does this save you time, but it makes it easier on your body as well. No need to be bending over or straining your back anymore. You can get back to enjoying your yard and having more fun. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe below to see more videos on yard work gadgets. Take care.